Quickschools is a website BIA uses to track students' attendance and grades. To log on to Quickschools, you will receive an email link with a username and password to join. Click on the link in the email and you will be taken to your Quickschools profile login. Once you log into Quickschools, you will see your Quickschools student profile. Upon clicking View Complete Record, you can see your grades, attendance, and bills. Student Gradebook. You can see your current and past grades by clicking on the Gradebook tab. You can likewise see your attendance by clicking on the Attendance tab. Please remember that the blue means present in class, the light green or light blue means tardy, and the pink or red means absent. To view your attendance and academic probations, go to the Discipline tab. If you have any probations, you will see them under the Discipline tab. You can see your current or past bills by clicking on the Bills tab. You can see if your bill was recorded as cash, credit, or check. To check your transcript, go to the Transcript tab. In this tab, you can see all of the classes and more details that you have taken while at BIA. Please make sure that all of your contact information and your profile picture is up to date. If you have any more questions about how to use Quickschools, or you are having trouble getting into Quickschools, please email or call BIA. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that this helps you.